and today we're having a bit of fun on the allotment. And what do you think is going to mow the lawn better? This one, a Powerbase hand roller mower, or this quality item, Qualcast Panther 30 DL? Old school versus new school, you decide. So here we go, we'll do the Qualcast Panther 30 DL first. And then we're into the Powerbase. And to be fair, if you go one pass over, it doesn't do a hell of a lot. Both of these, they'll score a 5 out of 10 if you're lucky. Let's go over a few more times. Not too bad. Right, so I think we've got a winner, and the winner is, of course, the old ones are the best. Qualcast Panther, winner every day of the week. But this is far easier to chuck around. It's like a workout pushing this thing just around the grass here, and there's not a lot of it. So I'm going to call it a draw.